How long can you freeze heavy cream without it going bad?
Welcome to today's video. In this tutorial, we'll be discussing how long you can freeze heavy cream without it going bad.
How long can heavy cream be frozen?
The answer you're looking for is, heavy cream can be frozen for up to 4 months. This time frame ensures that the quality and texture of the cream remain optimal when you decide to use it in your recipes.
What happens when you freeze heavy cream?
When you freeze heavy cream, its fat and water content separate. This separation can cause the cream to have a grainy texture once it's thawed. However, don't worry, you can still use it in various recipes, especially cooked ones.
How do you thaw frozen heavy cream?
To thaw heavy cream, follow these simple steps. 1. Transfer the container of frozen heavy cream from the freezer to the refrigerator. 2. Allow it to thaw slowly in the refrigerator for 24 hours. 3. Once thawed, give the cream a good stir or shake to reincorporate the fat and water content.
Can you whip thawed heavy cream?
Thawed heavy cream may not whip as well as fresh cream due to the separation of fat and water during freezing. However, you can still try to whip it by chilling the cream, bowl, and whisk beforehand. For better results, consider using thawed heavy cream in recipes where the texture isn't crucial, like soups, sauces, and casseroles. In summary, you can freeze heavy cream for up to 4 months without it going bad. Just be mindful of the changes in texture that might occur when freezing and thawing, and adjust your expectations when using it in your recipes. Thanks for watching, and happy cooking!